Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear boys, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Today we have a recorded class. I am giving this class as a part of this of that. In our last class, we read about first lesson that was about Aqaid. We knew what is Aqaid, what is the Tawheed, what is Iman, and we knew about the identity of Allah the Great and His existence. Today, we will know what are the attributes of Allah and what is this and why should we learn this. Attributes of Allah. We know Allah is one and unique in His entity and in His qualities. That means in His existence and in His attributes. There is no partner with Him. He is one and unique in His existence as well as in His attributes also. There are many qualities Allah has. Some of them we know, and if we find out his qualities names, that means his attributes, we can find out 99. But Allah has more than 99 qualities and attributes name. So the names that shows Allah's qualities are known as attributes, and these attributes are known in Islamic term as Asma'ul Husna. In easy sentence, it called beautiful names of Allah. So what are the attributes of Allah? The beautiful names of Allah, those are known as Asma'ul Husna. So Allah is Rahman, Allah is Rahim, Allah is Razak, Allah is Ghaffar, Allah is Sami'un, Allah is Basirun, Allah is Azizun. So all are these qualities are beautiful names of Allah, and these are known as beautiful names, as attributes, as Asma'ul Husna. Why should we learn these attributes? These are the qualities, and these are the good qualities. These are the qualities of Allah. So He is our creator. If we practice His qualities in our life, we can be a good human being. Not only good, but also best human being in our life. The person who practice Allah's qualities in his lives, he can be a best human being in this world. Suppose Allah is Razak, that means he is food giver. He give food to every creations of him. So if we practice this quality, that means if we give food to others, the poor person, the needy person, I will be a good person, I will be a good human being, and Allah and His Rasul will be pleased to me. Other person also will love me. He is most merciful. Whenever a person commit any sin, and after his understanding, if he asks forgiveness to Allah, Allah forgive him. So what merciful. So if any person hurt me, and if any person try to kill me, it's not good example. If any person hurt me, and if he commit any crime against me, and after understanding, if he ask forgiveness to me, and if I forgive him, it will be the practicing of good qualities, the practicing of Allah's qualities. And like this way, if we practice Allah's qualities in our life, we will be a good human being. That's why we need to practice his qualities, and we need to know his qualities in our life. If we want to practice these qualities, we have to know these qualities at first. Islam ordered that takhallaku bi akhlaqillah. That means build your character in the model of the character of Allah the Great. So Islam ordered to do like this. We will do this, and if we practice these qualities in our life, we will be a good person, and a pleased person by the God. On the other hand, if we know Allah's some qualities, we will be more conscious in our daily life, and we will avoid bad deeds, because Allah has the attributes like Allah is all seer, Allahu basirun, Allah is all hearer, Allah is sami'un. So like this way, Allah has more qualities. So whenever we try to do any wrong deed, and if we think like this, nobody can see me but Allah seeing me. Nobody can hear me but Allah hearing me. So if we know Allah's qualities, this kind of qualities, we can avoid from all kind of bad deeds. We can refrain from all kind of bad deeds, because we are thinking about the consequence of this work, and we will be accountable in front of Allah the Great. So these attributes, that means attributes of Allah, inspiring us to doing good deeds, and it's by knowing these qualities, we are avoiding all kind of bad deeds. That's why we need to know Allah's attributes. If we see in our books, we can see here. Okay, it's not the, yes, class 5 we read about the aqaid in our last class. Yes, Akaid. On Akaid, today I discussed already about attributes of Allah Ta'ala. The most beautiful names of Allah are called Asmaul Husna. We can build a noble character if we can acquire some virtues of Allah. We will read this part from here to here. It's not more long. Here, I told the summary, and I delivered the short lecture on this. You read this part, and I'm giving you um, HW. It will include the first part also. That means our previous class. Everybody will write the answer and send me. And here is written when you send your copy. Okay. Allah, may Allah bless you all. See you again, inshallah, in our next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.